Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily rearrange quick settings on your CMF Phone 2 Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is scroll down to the navigation center. Now here we are in the control center, and now we need to click this little pen icon. Here we need to hold it and now grab it, and now we can move around, as you guys can see, just like that. And here, let me place it here. Here we can rearrange that so it's right here, and as you guys can see, you can do just that and just leave to save the settings. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.